The spiritual path takes many forms, and there are many roads in which we can choose. But on our path, there are gates that must be walked through. We must know humility. We must know omnipresence of all things, the field of everything. I am one. We release into devotion. I am love, unconditional, in harmony of creation and formlessness. This transforms us into reverence. The universal will, the omnipotence of evolution itself. This opens our mind. Awareness and recognition. All-knowing. The sacredness of life itself. And the complete surrender as if in a state of prayer. The release of all static, the release of all emotions, all thoughts, and even our physical self. We become infinity.